Here's the first tow with the new truck and the camper. Following my wife in her 2004 F-250 pulling 3 horses. Me pulling 31-foot camper, 6,800 pounds, 2014 Ford Expedition. Going up a little hill here, already at 40, effortless. About 55, kind of just stand behind her. Not too bad. Getting past. So here's how the truck does in rolling hills. Got the cruise set at 60. Going up and down some rolling hills here. Truck drops down to 4th gear, about 2,800 RPM. Going up the hill, then upshifts to 5th and 6th on the flats. Holds 60 no problem. Small hill, drop down to 5th gear. Otherwise holding 6th gear pretty much. Okay, going down a hill here. It's going to upshift to 6th. Let's see what it does. The old Expedition, it would drop down to 2nd on this hill to hold 60, which would be running about 3,800 RPM, something like that. Let's see what this one does. It's the same motor, but it's got the 6R80, so let's see how it does. Fifth. There's 3rd. Going up at 55 though. Back up to 60. Top of the hill, 4th. There's 5th and 6th. Not too bad. Something else worth noting. Driving this it's 31-foot box, so it's about 35 foot end to end. This is the Expedition EL, and hauling it with a Reese dual cam hitch. And it's not windy today, but I'm holding the camera with one hand and the steering wheel with the other, and this is easy. I mean, there is no drama. My experience with this hitch, even in stiff winds, it just keeps everything straight, so pretty happy with that. So we're about 3/4 of the way where we're going, and I have to say, even over big bumps, I say we're hauling. It's a 6,800 pound camper. This is pleasant. Going up and down the hills, pretty easy. Holds speed. I'm sitting with the cruise on, which I know most people don't do, but I do. And truck just figures it out. It's dropped down to 3rd gear one time on one fairly sizable hill. Other than that, you know, hanging out between 4th and 5th gear, running right about 61 mile an hour. Tell you, pretty happy. Got a little bit of a crosswind now. Wasn't much when we started out, but I don't know, if you look down the mirrors there, camper just stays straight. There's just no drama. That Reese dual cam really does what it's supposed to do. I say I'm driving with one hand here, and there's just no drama, none at all. I say this is my first time out with this truck, and so far it's a lot more pleasant hauling than the old truck ever was. That was a pretty good bump there, and it rides nice. So I guess if you were looking at expeditions for tow rig, I ain't gonna talk you out of it.